working on the Broadway Limited 14 passenger car set, and this was reissued by Kato. So to celebrate that, I'm going to put lighting kits in mine. So I'm going to start with the observation. So the observation comes with the marker lights and the drum head already lit, but I'm going to want all the insides to be lit. So the kit that I'm using is this. I get mine from Japan, but the American kit is exactly the same. And this is what you get inside. It really doesn't look like much, but it's exactly what you need. The Japanese kit and the American kit, it's exactly the same inside. The only difference is the instructions. So what you get is you get enough to do 6 cars. These are little LEDs, and these help make the light have a little bit of a more yellowish tinge. So I'm going to start working on that. So now I need to remove the shell. All you need to do is pull on the skirts and then push the truck up a little bit. And that's all. They each have a specific interior. It's very nice. I'm going to install this bar first. This diffuses the light, so it goes in the top. There's 2 tabs here in the end. 2 tabs. And they go inside the body here. You can see the 2 tabs there. So the LED will sit just on the top of this, and it will spread the light around. And that's all you need to do. So on this end of the car is where the LED is going to go. First you need to put in the 2 contact strips. You just slide them in here very gently. They're not really hard to go. They just go in there nice and easy. And this will help your LED to get the electricity from the track. It's already all set up for you from the factory. And they'll just go right in there and put power to your LEDs. And then here's your LED. So these 2 little metal tabs are going to contact the contact strips. And it goes in just like this. Just double checking that my fit is perfect. So this will go to the top and light up your diffuser. So then I'll move on to the next car. I only have 14 of these to do. And this is the engine that I'm going to pull my Broadway Limited train with. So this is a Concord S2. So it's lettered for Pennsylvania, but Pennsylvania never owned a 484. They had an M1, which looks similar, and they had a T1, which was about the same size. Anyways, I haven't run this engine in a while, so it's time to run this. So I'm gonna put this on the track with the complete consist. It's a big train, even in N scale. See you soon.